You're scrolling through flights to Tokyo, your finger hovering over the book button. You've got your YouTrip card ready, buzzing with the promise of zero foreign transaction fees. But a question pops into your head. A crucial one. A potentially trip-ruining one. Which currency is YouTrip actually going to use when I tap that card in Japan? Yen? My home currency? Some weird conversion rate they pull out of thin air? That little moment of uncertainty? That's what we're tackling today. Because let's be real, navigating currency conversions when you're abroad can feel like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. One wrong twist and you're staring at unexpected charges, confused and maybe a little bit frustrated. So, let's cut to the chase. YouTrip, at its core, is designed to make your international spending seamless and transparent. And that transparency starts with understanding how they handle currencies. Here's the breakdown. When you use your YouTrip card overseas, the transaction is processed in the local currency of the country you're in. So, in our Tokyo example, you'll be paying in Japanese yen. Simple, right? But here's where the magic happens. YouTrip then converts that yen amount back to your base currency, which is usually Singapore dollars, or whatever currency you loaded into the card. They do this at wholesale interbank exchange rates. Now, this is crucial. Because these rates are significantly better than the retail rates you'd typically get at a money changer or with your traditional bank. Think of it this way, you're getting the exchange rate that banks themselves use when trading with each other. It's the closest you'll get to the real, mid-market rate, without the hefty markups. Now, you might be wondering, what if I don't have enough of my base currency in my YouTrip wallet? No worries. YouTrip allows you to lock in exchange rates for multiple currencies in advance. So, before your trip to Japan, you could preload your wallet with yen when the exchange rate is favorable. This gives you peace of mind, knowing exactly how much you'll be spending, and protects you from potential currency fluctuations. And the best part? All of this happens instantly. You'll receive real-time notifications on your YouTrip app, showing you the exact amount deducted in both the local currency and your base currency. No hidden fees, no surprises. Just straightforward, transparent transactions. Let's address a common misconception. YouTrip isn't a multi-currency account in the sense that you hold balances in multiple foreign currencies simultaneously. It's more of a smart conversion tool. It acts as a single wallet, converting your base currency to the local currency at the best possible rate, whenever you spend. This means you don't have to juggle multiple wallets or worry about remembering which currency is in which account. You simply tap your card, and YouTrip takes care of the rest. In essence, YouTrip simplifies international spending by prioritizing the local currency for transactions, leveraging excellent wholesale exchange rates, and providing real-time visibility into your spending. So, next time you're booking that flight or planning your next adventure, you can rest assured knowing that YouTrip's got your back when it comes to currency conversions. You'll be paying in the local currency, getting the best possible exchange rate, and enjoying a seamless, worry-free travel experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.